Managing comments across Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube can be a time-consuming task, especially if you're handling multiple platforms. But there are some smart ways to streamline this process, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do it efficiently. If you've been struggling to keep up with comments across all these platforms, this video is for you, and stay tuned until the end because I'll share an exclusive free trial to a software that can make this task so much easier. First off, the key to managing comments effectively is centralizing everything in one tool. You could manually check each platform, but that's not only inefficient, it's also time-consuming. Instead, let's talk about a software that consolidates your comments into one place. This allows you to respond to comments on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube without jumping between apps. Now let's take a look at how to set this up. Once you've chosen a software, usually it will integrate your accounts from Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. The first step is to connect your profiles. This usually involves logging into each account from within the software's dashboard. You'll authenticate the connection, and then voila, you've got all your comments in one place. Now let's talk about how to manage them. Most of the time, you'll be able to see all incoming comments across platforms, and the software will display them in a unified stream. From here, you can categorize and prioritize them based on certain keywords or importance. You can filter comments by type, whether it's a direct message, a reply to a post, or a comment on a video. The next tip is automation. Some software options allow you to set up automatic replies. This is particularly useful for frequently asked questions. Instead of manually replying each time, you can create an automatic response that answers common queries, saving you valuable time. But don't worry, you can always review and tweak these automated replies to match your tone. Engaging with your audience is crucial, so don't just set the software to auto-respond and leave it at that. Spend time engaging with your community, liking and replying to comments personally where necessary. This keeps the connection authentic. Now, for those of you who get tons of comments, prioritization is key. Many tools let you flag comments that are high priority, whether it's negative feedback you want to handle quickly or top fans that you want to engage with more often. Take advantage of these features to make sure you don't miss important comments. If you want to follow along with this, you can get access to a free trial for the software we're using in the description below. This is an exclusive offer only for viewers of my channel, so make sure to check that out if you want to take the hassle out of managing comments across Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. To wrap it up, the key takeaway here is that managing comments across multiple platforms doesn't have to be overwhelming. By using a centralized tool, automating responses, and prioritizing comments, you can easily stay on top of everything without missing a beat. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial linked in the description if you want to streamline your comment management even further. And remember, this software will help you keep things organized, save you time, and let you engage better with your audience. Happy commenting.